Hi Pottstown parents. I want to show you how to check your students' grades, attendance, and how to load an IEP using the Parent Portal. You want to go to the URL powerschool.pottstownk12.org/public, and logging in here is after you have created an account. When you look in the center of the screen, it says Grades and Attendance, and to the right it says Standards Grades. Selecting Standards Grades will show your students' grades. Grades and Attendance will show the attendance. It's automatically left blank, and that means that they're present. There's other codes that you can check for other attendance events. If you look in the upper right, you'll see an upward arrow. If you select the upward arrow, a side window will appear where it says Special Programs Home. This is where you want to click this, and that will take you to your student's IEP. I hope you found this video helpful and have a great day.